up everybody on YouTube? What's up everybody on YouTube? As you can see, it's like a Pokemon game. This is a physical Pokemon game. Yes. So, this is just the beginning. So, I picked Ocelot. It looks cool because he has like a shell on his stomach. Weird, but cool. So, yeah. I already walked on the stairs and battled the people. So let's go. I'm not gonna read the little lines, but I'll give you, everybody on YouTube, some time for you to read it. Okay, sorry about that little wiggle. Just had to get in the right position. Oh my god. My little brother leaves his toys everywhere sometimes. He's still sleeping. Okay, so he's still sleeping. Okay. So why is sorry guys, I don't know how to speak properly. Why is she saying that, like, oh, it's okay? Oh, it's fine. I'll be waiting for you in front of the lab, okay? Okay, so that was weird. Wait, is that a dad? What the crap? That's a dad. I can see her. So girly in this. So girly and stuff. Okay, I don't care. What the? Is that ice cream? Oh, that's a cushion. It looks like ice cream. Or like pink crap or something. Okay, so everybody, that's it. I'll see you at the next episode.